Good morning, this is Gauthier presenting my project 1 of the 2020 version of CS50's Web Programming with Python and Javascript Harvard course, which is a Wikipedia-like online encyclopedia built with Django, where users can access encyclopedia entries, edit them, and add new ones. Going to the /wiki/title root of an encyclopedia entry renders a page that displays the content of that entry and for which the title is the name of the entry. If the user tries to access an entry that does not exist, he lands on this error page telling him that the requested page was not found. Back to the main page, you can see that the user can also simply click on an entry name to access its page. On this page, the content includes links to other pages, as you can see. Finally, a last way to visit an entry page is to use the search box. If the query matches the name of an encyclopedia entry, the user is redirected to that entry page. If the query doesn't match an entry name, he is taken to a page that shows all the entries that have that query as a substring. The name of entries is case sensitive, so you won't land on the page of CSS, for example, if you don't type it in capital letters. But the CSS page will be suggested in the results page anyway. Then you can simply click on it and you will land on that entry page. Clicking Create New Page will let you create a new entry. You enter the title right here, and there goes the content of the entry. It has to use the Markdown language because it is how the website stores the entries instead of HTML, as it is a lightweight markup language and more human-friendly. When the user clicks on Save, if an entry with the same name already exists, he is presented this error message right here. If he tries to save a title which includes characters that could make the URL unable to work correctly, such as a /, he gets an error message. If the user picks a valid title, he is taken to the page that he just created. The Edit button present on each entry page allows the user to modify the content of an encyclopedia entry. So here you've got the current Markdown content and you can remove or add what you want. When saving your changes, you are prompted to the page of the entry you just edited. If you click on Random Page, you land on an entry page with an equal chance of each entry to be that where you will be taken to. As said earlier, the entry data is stored as Markdown files, but the content of an entry is converted to HTML every time it has to be displayed to a user. Thank you for watching.